Good morning, student. How are you? In our previous session, I had discussed about type of salt. Now, which salt are soluble in cold water? Okay, see that all sodium, potassium, and ammonium ions, they are salt like nitrates, nitrite, bicarbonate, sulfate and chloride are soluble in cold water. What I say? All suppose that sodium bicarbonate, potassium bicarbonate, ammonium bicarbonate, sodium nitrate, sodium nitrite, ammonium nitrate, ammonium nitrite, potassium nitrite, sulfate and chlorides are soluble in cold water, whereas for sodium hydrogen carbonate, some are strongly soluble, but other salt are insoluble in cold water. That is given already page number 49. Now I am moving towards indicators. What do we mean by indicator? Indicators. In chemistry, indicator means a compound which give different color in different type of solution. That compound are known as indicator, or the material substance known as a indicator. What I say? The substance which give different color in different type of solution, that substance are called indicator. In that indicator, first we will study about the pH value. pH means power of hydrogen. Power of hydrogen. Hydrogen. What do you mean by pH value? Just I said pH means power of hydrogen, but what is the definition of the pH? pH defined as negative of logarithm to the base 10 hydrogen ion concentration express mole per liter, known as pH value. That is the definition only. You can write in statement what is the pH, negative of the logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration to the base 10 expressed in mole per liter, known as pH value. Now, the product of that is Kw ionic product, hydrogen ion concentration and OH ion concentration is equal to 10 to the power minus 7 into 10 to the power minus 7. In mathematics already you know that a to the power m into a to the power n, it means a to the power m plus n. Already you see here that will be 10 to the power minus 14. It means that the pH of any solution vary from 0 to the 14. 0 to 14. See that means suppose here this is the pH scale 7, 0 and 14. See that 7 is the green color in your book given, that is in neutral. Basically our drinking water is in neutral. It means its pH is 7. Water pH is 7. Now see that if pH value increase, it means the solution is basic or alkaline. Basic solution. Basic. If pH decrease means acidic solution. Suppose that as a question, two compound A and B having pH value 2 and 4 or 6. Which one will be more basic? No one will be basic. Here A will be more acidic and B will be less acidic. Now if XY two compounds are there, its pH value is 13 and its pH value is 11. Which one is the more basic? as X is the more basic because its pH value increase when we are moving to this side, right hand side, and acidic increase when we move left hand side. Now, what is the pH? Negative of the logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration to the base 10 express mole per liter known as pH value. pH value, the ionic product of the pH is 10 to the power minus 14. Now our question is that again, indicator are generally two type. Indicator are two type. First one, acid base indicator. Second one, universal indicator. Acid base indicator. Second one, universal indicator. First I am going to explain acid base indicator. See that litmus, methyl orange, phenolphthalein, alkaline phenolphthalein means phenolphthalein, alkaline. 4 indicators are there. 4 indicator means that are acid base indicator. How what I say? 4. First one litmus, second one methyl orange, that is orange in color, purple color, phenolphthalein, that is colorless. Third one, fourth one phenolphthalein alkaline, phenolphthalein. See, that will be in pink color. That will be in pink color. What happens when the solution will be acidic? The purple color change into the in acidic solution, red in basic solution, that is blue in color. Methyl orange, orange color. In acidic medium it will be changing to the pink. Basic it will be changing yellow. Phenolphthalein, that is colorless. In acidic medium it will be colorless, and basic medium it will be pink. Last one alkaline, that is a pink in color. In acidic medium it will be colorless, whereas in basic medium it will be pink color. Pink means here colorless same. That are acid base indicator. Next one, universal indicator. What is difference between acid base indicator and universal indicator? Universal indicator and next one universal indicator. Both are indicator. See that acid base indicator only tells about the solution is acidic or basic. It's not give any information that how much acidic or how much basic. Whereas universal indicator tell about by changing the color on the pH scale, the solution is how much basic or how much acidic. Second difference, acid base indicator we can utilize only one time. So when we use in the lab once time, then we have to no need to use again. Means simply we are throwing. But universal indicator can be utilized again and again. Only two difference I say that. First one, acid base indicator only tells about the solution is either acidic or basic. How much acidic, how much basic, we can't get any information from acid base indicator. Whereas universal indicator tells us the solution is how much acidic or how much basic. Second difference, acid base indicator only utilize only one times, whereas universal indicator can be utilized two or many times. Now page number 47. Page number 47, that is given some uses of acid indicators or pH value. Page number 47. In the given, in agriculture, you know that farmer, mostly the people who having knowledge about the farming, they know that our soil is acidic or basic. According to that, they are using the different grain in that field, which are possibly in acidic medium or basic medium. Now, in same page, some compounds given and their pH value given. See that page number 47, hydrochloric acid, pH value is 1. Sulfuric 1.2. Milk, you know that in milk we are getting lactic acid, pH value is 6. See, milk pH value, milk 6.6. And vinegar, acetic acid, its pH value is 2.9 given, 2.9. So when we are eating, see that if you are eating any vinegar, no need to take milk within same hour, means after 1 hour, 2 hour, because both are acidic in nature. And we know that when we are suffering from any problem inside or acidity, we are using base, because base neutralize the reaction. Okay, when means if acidity, then we are taking gastrol, means that is what work is that it's only neutralize the reaction. Already I had explained what is a neutralization reaction. When acid react with the base, form salt and water. My dear student, page number 47 in your book, that is given the pH value of some acidic medium and some basic medium. You have to prepare. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.